Introducing eDGE, a comprehensive ordering, returns and distribution management platform for the newspaper publishing industry from Australian Strategic Partnerships. SP Solutions was incorporated in 2006 as a company dedicated to providing workflow, document management and decision support systems. The first workflow was automated in 2008, and today 35 Sri Lankan corporates use eDGE to automate over 350 business processes. The company rebranded as Australian Strategic Partnerships in 2016 to serve international markets, and now manages over 15 clients in Australia, providing mobile-based workflow solutions. Built on the award-winning eDGE workflow platform, eDGE uses workflow technology to streamline and manage exceptions within sales, returns, distribution, cashiering and invoicing.
The newspaper publishing industry in Sri Lanka is dominated by two main players, ANCL, the state-owned publishing company, and Vijaya Newspapers. There are 4 other publishing houses, but operations are much smaller and can be handled manually.
eDGE is in operation at ANCL and has helped address the main pain points within the company across the different divisions and teams. In delivering over 200,000 newspapers daily to 1,500 dealers, 60 street sellers in and around Colombo, and 2,500 subscribers across the island. On weekends, the company delivers over 400,000 newspapers in a single night. ANCL handles 17 publications in total, some daily, some weekly, and some monthly. The sales and order processing is different for the 3 channels, and each presents a unique set of challenges to be managed. Agents. Agents have standard orders with the ability to amend orders on the phone daily. The agents have 30 days credit and work on a commission, which is a standard discount on the retail price. However, agents also distribute free copies and subscription orders for which they are paid a commission.
The challenge is to ensure that the correct number of newspapers are delivered to each agent each day while minimizing returns, using a workflow to track order amendments and approval of order changes.
Street sellers walk into ANCL and place orders daily. They are only provided 6 days of credit, and most street sellers' orders need to be processed with the street seller standing in front of the order taker, waiting for his invoice to be generated and for payments to be made. Credit management and credit control, together with speed of service delivery, are key elements delivered via the system, with workflows used in the ordering process to manage credit and to automate the order entry process to save time. Subscriptions. This is a standardized order-taking process, and the customer pays in advance, except if the customer is a government department. Managing these exceptions and ensuring that invoices are raised and collected are key competencies.
Newspapers are a time-sensitive industry. At around 3 p.m., the sales team generates the distribution list for the day and then the labels for delivery based on a complex routing logic.
Newspaper bundling is also handled via the system. The labels are generated based on the bundle sizes, the number of newspapers per delivery location, and combines all the deliveries for a given date. This entire operation, formerly semi-manually handled, is now automated by the system, speeding up the process, saving time and manpower, allowing ANCL to close daily orders at a later time of day, thus being more responsive to their clients.
There is a further complication in that clients are allowed to call in as late as 7 p.m. to change orders for the next day.
This is handled using the late alteration function. where the workflow ensures that the production takes the order and that the sales and finance teams approve the order and adjust the invoicing the next morning. There is also a function that allows ANCL to change distribution volumes based on weather and special newsworthy events such as elections and sports events.
All partners are allowed to return 10% of their order value within a given time frame and not pay for the returned newspapers.
Returns are tracked as normal returns, special returns over 10%, expired returns, late returns, and expired special returns, late and over quota. ANCL can then decide how much returns are accepted and factored into the bill.
This is a critical process which impacts the profitability of the printing operation and allows the sales agent to be compensated for returns which are justifiable.
We have implemented a new scanning process to deal with high returns volumes during specific periods and use workflows to manage the approvals, where informed decisions can be made. Returns are tracked as normal returns, special returns over 10%, expired returns, late returns, and expired special returns, late and over quota. ANCL can then decide how much returns are accepted and factored into the bill.
This is a critical process which impacts the profitability of the printing operation and allows the sales agent to be compensated for returns which are justifiable.
We have implemented a new scanning process to deal with high returns volumes during specific periods and use workflows to manage the approvals, where informed decisions can be made. The agent billing process is complicated as it factors several elements, including payments due from classified adverts accepted by the agents, and managing a deposit which is maintained with ANCL by all agents.
The eDGE system allows the sales and finance team to preview invoices.
Input classified advert revenue from the AdPro system via web services.
Preview that all accepted returns are deducted from the invoice.
Add special debit and credit entries for distribution commissions.
Use the deposit to settle an invoice.
Or use an invoice to top up the deposit.
The system also calculates a special commission to agents based on early settlements.
The system provides a plethora of reports based on the workflows as well as the business operations. These reports enable ANCL to manage the various facets of their business with real-time information supporting decision-making.
PublishEdge provides visibility and control and gives management a wealth of information in real time to support decision-making.
The modules of the system include The potential for the system is significant, as the only systems used in the publishing industry, AdPro, developed by Messrs. Summit of India, handles only the commercial and classified advertising, while PublishEdge now handles the sales and operations verticals.
We are in discussion with Summit to form a partnership to introduce PublishEdge not only to the other players in the Sri Lankan market, but also to market the combined product in India.
PublishEdge is built on the latest available technology stack, which enables us to provide new and improved functionality to our clients. The eDGE platform has been integrated to over 35 different core ERP and functional systems. PublishEdge from eDGE, software your employees will love to use.